Welcome, fellow travelers. As you gather your little ones and prepare for an unforgettable journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the vibrant tapestry that is Louisiana. This state is not just a destination. It's a living, breathing experience filled with rich culture, tantalizing cuisine, and the warmest hospitality you can imagine. Picture yourself wandering through the lively streets of New Orleans, where the air is thick with the sounds of jazz, the scent of gumbo wafting from nearby kitchens, and the laughter of children echoing as they explore. Did you know that New Orleans is the only city in North America founded by the French? Established in 1718, it stands as a cultural gem, a place where history and modernity dance together in a vibrant celebration of life. Now, let's talk about the festivals. Louisiana is famous for its incredible celebrations, none more iconic than Mardi Gras. Imagine the colorful parades, the dazzling floats, and the joyous revelry that attracts millions each year. It's a time when the state comes alive and families can join in the fun, creating memories that will last a lifetime. But Louisiana isn't just about the parties. It's also a land of diverse ecosystems. The Atchafalaya Basin, the largest swamp in the U.S., is a wonderland waiting to be explored. Here you can experience the beauty of nature, where the bayous teem with life, and the air is filled with the sounds of birds and the rustle of leaves. And let's not forget about the food. Louisiana's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. From the rich, hearty gumbo to the spicy jambalaya, and those sweet, fluffy beignets that melt in your mouth, every meal is an adventure. It's a state where flavors collide, reflecting the blend of cultures that have shaped its identity. The melting pot of traditions, languages, and customs creates a unique atmosphere that welcomes everyone with open arms. Now, let's dive into the fun part, the top 10 most popular places to visit with your kids in Louisiana. First up is the Audubon Zoo in New Orleans. This sprawling oasis is home to over 2,000 animals, and the interactive exhibits will have your children wide-eyed with wonder. Next, the Louisiana Children's Museum beckons, where hands-on activities spark creativity and learning in a way that feels like play. Imagine your kids engaged in imaginative play, about exploring the world around them. For a bit of adventure, don't miss the swamp tour in the bayous. Picture your family gliding through the water, the thrill of spotting alligators and other wildlife in their natural habitat. It's an experience that will ignite their sense of wonder. Then there's the National Wawawee Museum, a place where older kids can immerse themselves in history through captivating exhibits that bring the past to life. It's educational, yes, but also deeply moving. Animal lovers will adore the Baton Rouge Zoo, where a variety of species await, along with fun educational programs that make learning about wildlife exciting. For a scenic family road trip, the Creole Nature Trail All-American Road showcases Louisiana's stunning landscapes and wildlife, offering a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation. And don't overlook the Children's Museum of St. Tammany in Covington, a hidden gem filled with interactive exhibits that encourage exploration and play. The historic plantations along River Road provide a glimpse into Louisiana's past, with many offering family-friendly tours that tell stories of resilience and heritage. On hot Louisiana days, the Blue Bayou Water Park in Baton Rouge is a thrilling destination, with water slides and wave pools that will keep your kids entertained for hours. Finally, the John Lafitte National Historical Park and Preserve invites families to hike, explore, and learn about Louisiana's unique ecosystems, a perfect way to connect with nature. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Louisiana's top 10 family-friendly destinations. Each place is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered, a chance to create lasting memories with your children. Louisiana is not just a place to visit, it's a place to connect, explore, and enjoy the wonders of family adventures together. So pack your sense of adventure and get ready to uncover the magic of Louisiana with your kids.